So guys, in this video I will tell you how you can use left hand mode or orientation mode on your Galaxy Watch 4 or Galaxy Watch 5 series smartwatches. So without any further delay, let's jump to the video. For that, you have to go to settings on your Galaxy Watch 4 or Galaxy Watch 5. Just slide down and go to settings option. In the settings, you have to open general option. Yes, in the general, you have to slide down and here you will see orientation option. Now click on it and open it. Here you can select left hand or right hand, and after that you can also choose key position, left or right. I use my smartwatch on my left hand, so it is left hand, but if you want to use it on your right hand, then just select right hand, and after that select your key position. If you want to choose left, then just click on left button, and here you can see it has changed the direction, and now you can see you have successfully changed the orientation. Now you can use this smartwatch on your right hand. Now you can see you have successfully activated left hand mode. Here you can see it has changed the whole screen as well as all the fonts and other settings in upward direction, and now you can use it on your right hand like this, and it will get a proper position. Thanks for watching my video guys. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button, share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.